Tired of leads slipping through the cracks and feeling like you're drowning in a sea of client data? Then it's time to dive into Follow Up Boss, the CRM designed to transform the way you manage your real estate business. In this video, we'll walk through the essential features so you can start converting more leads into closings today. First, let's get familiar with the dashboard. This is your command center, providing a snapshot of your leads, tasks, and overall pipeline performance. Notice the different sections, like new leads, hot leads, and deals. This allows you to see where your attention is needed immediately. Next, adding new leads is simple. Just click the Add Person button, enter their contact information, and tag them accordingly based on their source or interest. The tagging feature allows you to group and segment your contacts, making targeted follow-up much easier. Now, let's explore smart lists. Think of these as dynamic filters that automatically organize your contacts based on specific criteria. You can filter by lead source, stage, last contacted date, and more. This keeps your database clean and efficient. To create one, just click on Add Filter, pick your criteria, and save your smart list. Follow Up Boss seamlessly integrates with your email, allowing you to track all communication in one place. When you send an email through Follow Up Boss, it automatically logs the interaction on the contact's profile, so you always have a complete history. One of the most powerful features is automation. Set up automated email sequences, text messages, or task reminders based on triggers, like a new lead arriving or a showing schedule. This ensures consistent follow-up. Even when you're busy, click on automation and then create an action plan. Don't forget to download the mobile app. Stay connected and manage your leads on the go. The app offers all the core functionalities of the desktop version, ensuring you never miss an opportunity, even when you're out showing properties. And that's a quick overview of Follow Up Boss. By implementing these strategies, you can supercharge your lead management, streamline your sales process, and ultimately close more deals. Happy selling!